So, okay, we want to go to chest today. One of the best exercises for chest is bench press, and you should do minimum 3 to 4 sets. I'm personally doing 4 sets. Have a warm up, and I'm doing my warm up quick, just to show you how the technique should be. You make yourself comfortable on the bench. Yeah. Find your right grip, right wrist. So the right wrist is actually like when you take the bar out and you come down on the lowest point, your forearms in the right angle to your upper arm. Yeah. And you should go down to your chest. Just stop before you touch it. So you're not rest on the chest. And then you go slowly down, you go quick up. Explosive up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, that's the warm up. After that, I'm starting my 4 sets. And my 4 sets, I start with 10, 8, 8, and 6. But if you're comfortable with bench press, it's a good technique because your back is really flat on the bench. For example, if you go down, if your feet down like this, you actually can be pain in your back. Yeah? But it's more secure to be in this position. Yeah? But if you can have it up as well, what concentrates more on your chest. Well, you have to be really experienced, not to lose the balance. Yeah. But I can personally just stay with the basic. If your legs down and just push it up.